So friends, today I'm gonna show you guys how you can repair a VCD player that not ejecting. So that means the door in front of this VCD player is not coming out and it's not open. So the problem is on this uh, band. Actually this is little bit similar to a rubber band, but it's a little bit hard material rubber band. So what you can do is either you can clean this band or you can replace with the same diameter rubber band. So now I have replaced the rubber band. Now the door is perfectly working. Now I have plugged the VCD player, and let me show you when I press this button, this comes out, and you can see here, you can see this little bit orange color piece in here. That's the rubber band that I replaced. So I didn't have the same diameter rubber band, so what I did was I got a little bit longer rubber band, then I tied it to this pulleys uh, two times, so that way it fits perfectly. So now just look at this place. When I press this switch, you can see the rubber band clearly. See, so you see the rubber band that I replaced. So when you repairing this kind of VCD player, what you have to do is first you have to remove the back cover screws. In my VCD player you can find a screw right here and right here and in here and here, and this side also here and here. So there were 6 screws, and you have to remove those things, and you can slide this thing backwards and remove the back cover. And for insert the rubber band, then you have to remove these screws also. You can see here this screw, and there's another screw in this side also. So you have to remove those 2 screws, and you can put a flat screw and push this outside and remove this front casing. And then what you have to do is you have to remove these 2 screws also. Okay, then you can slide this door into front side. Then you can clearly see the rubber band, and using a little some kind of pin, you can take out the rubber band and replace with a new one. So that's it basically, and you can replace the parts as they were before, and it will work perfectly. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let's meet with another good video. Thank you guys.